Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book about small merchant vessel of the early 18th century, the Susan Constant by Brian Lavery. Brian Lavery is probably the world's leading authority on the ship of the line. He was commissioned by the states of Virginia to undertake research in preparation for a replica which they are building as a tribute to the state's earliest settlers. The Susan Constant's claim of fame is that she was the flagship of the company that established the first permanent English colony in the New World at Jamestown in 1607, 13 years before the more famous Mayflower landed the Pilgrim Fathers at Cape Cod. Unlike other volumes of the anatomy of the ship, Susan Constant is reconstructed with little accurate information known about the ship, but is primarily based on the author's understanding of the ship design and construction practice of the period. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.